When I found out I might have to have the surgery, like I thought it was more of an option, and I was thinking that maybe I'd do it like in the future. But then all of a sudden, like we came back for after that, and like my curve had gotten even worse, and it was sort of like not an option anymore. Like it was something I had to do. But I wasn't that scared because I couldn't even imagine how it would be, because I'd never really had anything like that.
When I found out that I had to have surgery, yeah, that's when I was really convinced someone just doesn't like me. Then I thought to myself, you know what, this could be a good thing. It'd be a good experience. I'd have surgery. It'd be something I could tell my children and their children, and it'd be something I could like always look back and remember on my childhood. So I got a bit excited actually.
When I first found out that I had to have surgery, I was nervous, obviously, because I had to undergo a serious surgery that I had no idea what to expect in the end. Pretty much, I was nervous, but at the same time I was able to overcome it all because I had the support of all the supporters, I guess you could say, at Sick Kids and my parents and everything like that. Dr. Howard was a huge help with it all, and he just went step by step what was going to happen, so it was reassuring to know that everything was going to go well.
When I found out I had to have surgery, it was kind of weird because I never really had surgery before, but then I was excited because I always wanted to know what surgery felt like, and I never really been in a hospital, so when they said, oh, you have to have surgery, I was just like, okay, let's do it.